you planning a trip to Norway and want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Lewis, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling, today I'm breaking down the top 2 best eSIM options for Norway in 2025. I'll break down the pricing, data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've also included discounts in case you are interested. Those links are in the description. All right, let's get into it. The eSIM provider I recommend for Norway is Maya Mobile. If you want cheap and flexible plans, Maya is a great choice. For Norway, you can get 3 GB for $7.19 and use it for 10 days. There's also 5 GB for $8.99 and 10 GB for $13.49, all valid for the same 10 days. For those who need more data, you can grab 20 GB for $18.89 or 40 GB for $29.69. And if you don't want to worry about running out of data, Maya offers unlimited data for $25.19 for 10 days. Everything runs on 5G and activates instant. The website is super simple to use. Just pick Norway, pay, and you're connected. Plus, when you use the link in the description, you'll automatically get a 10% discount at checkout. Now, let me explain how to get started with Maya and claim your discount. When you click the link in the description, it will take you to Maya's homepage. From there, just type Norway into the destination search bar. You'll see a list of available plans. Choose the one that fits your needs. At checkout, you'll notice the 10% discount already applied, so no promo code is necessary. Once you complete the payment, you'll get a QR code instantly. Open your phone's cellular settings, scan the code, and your eSIM profile installs in seconds. Toggle it on and you're surfing Norwegian 5G almost immediately. Now, if you've already tried Maya and you didn't like it so far, or maybe you didn't like the options they offer, then I recommend Airalo. I've tried it myself and they are great. If month-long validity matters most, Airalo's plans offer decent value. For Norway, the options start with 1 GB for $4.50, valid for 7 days. There's also 2 GB for $7, valid for 15 days, and 3 GB for $9.50, valid for 30 days. Heavier users can choose 5 GB for $13, 10 GB for $21, or 20 GB for $32, each good for 30 days. Airalo even has an unlimited 10-day data plan for $35. The Airalo app is super simple. Buy a plan, receive a QR code instantly, and you're ready to go. If you need extra data, you can even top up directly in the app. And if you use the link in the description, you'll get 10% discount. So, which one should you choose? Maya Mobile or Airalo? If you want the best deal for short trips or need fast internet, Maya Mobile is the winner. It costs less per gigabyte, works super fast, and is really easy to set up. But if you're planning to stay longer and don't need a ton of data, Airalo is still a great option. It offers 30-day plans and lets you top up more data easily through its app. Both links are in the description with exclusive discounts already applied. Pick the plan that matches your trip, follow the quick setup steps, and you'll be connected in Norway in just a few minutes. No roaming, no SIM card swaps, no stress. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.